Oh, it's tasty. I really love the taste of it. Hi guys, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell to keep you updated. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you how I treated my cough and cold. I'm still coughing. That's why I don't have a vlog this past few weeks. I took a break from making vlogs because I couldn't vlog continuously because every time I talk I started coughing, but this time I feel so much better, so I wanted to share with you how I treated it, and this is proven effective for myself, even for Sagda, and even for my friends, because I also told to my friend to drink it, and they drink it as well, and I'm happy that it's also effective on them. So today I'm gonna show you how I prepare the turmeric milk. So without any further ado, I'm gonna start the preparation. So see ya! So the first thing that you need is of course the turmeric powder. This one. I got a big one because I always need it, and also black pepper, and only that, and then honey. This is for later. Then of course you will also be needed a milk, so I have so much milk here because I always drink it. Then you need a casserole like this, with a tip like that, you see, with a tip like that, so that you can pour it easily. And that's all. Then I will show you how I put them together. I have the turmeric powder and the milk, and also the black pepper and the honey for later, and the water. So now I will put just a bit of water, about 1 cup, because I'm gonna be making two cups for me and for Sata. And then you will just add the milk, the fresh milk. It's the fresh milk like that, and then you will just add like this. This is a lot, like that. And I like putting, you can just put just a bit of black pepper, but I like putting it a lot. Because I like it more spicy. Just like that. And then you will just stir it like that. I think I need to put more milk. Yeah, because I'm gonna cook it for about 15 minutes to 20 minutes in a low fire. The color of this will change after, it will be more yellowish. It will be like a golden yellow like this after you cook it. So I'm gonna bring it to boil now. So now I am already boiling it, just in the smallest burner. You see that it has a very small fire, and then you will just keep stirring it from time to time until it started boiling, and then you will just wait for about 15 to 20 minutes. So while waiting, I'm gonna do something else, like I'm gonna prepare my food. So see you later when it's done. Look at that. It's already ready. I love it when it is like this with these bubbles. You have to throw that part. I cook it exactly like 15 minutes and it's like that. And then now I'm gonna transfer it in the mag. So see ya. So here is it. Look how yellow it is. How golden it is. Look at that. And then I will just transfer it here. The mug. You take note, you have to use this strainer so that some of the stuff inside won't go in your drinks. So it's like this. Just use it like that. So you have more clearer turmeric milk. And this is for Sabta. Yeah, and you see what's inside. You don't need to drink that thing inside, the leftover from the turmeric powder. And that's all. Then I will just clean this stuff. That's for later. And then I'm gonna put honey. This is my favorite honey. This is actually from avocado flowers. That's why I like it. And look at that. It is like this. I love the texture, this kind of honey. I really love it. This is my favorite. And for Sabta, we have different honey. This is the honey for Sabta. So I'm gonna apply just this. Then I will give it to her later because it's still very hot. Then I will just drink this one. I will just drink my I'm still coughing a bit, but it will take time until it will get completely gone. So now I'm gonna drink it. Come and join me while drinking it. And I hope you also try it. It is very effective. And also turmeric milk has a lot of benefits. Drinking turmeric milk have a lot of benefits, especially when you also have pimples. It can also cure your pimples. It's also good for detoxifying. If you have cholesterol, you can also drink it. And also you can read about it on Google, and you can search about it, the benefits of turmeric milk. And of course, I want to thank everyone for being so supportive, for being there always for me, for my channel. Thank you so much. And I hope you will always support my every video that I do, and because that your support motivates me. And of course I want to thank all my members. You are really very supportive. Thank you so much. I will put all their channel at the end of this video. And I hope that everyone is okay. Wow, it's tasty. I really love the taste of it. Try it. You won't lose anything. At first, it will taste like a very, like, it's gross when the first time you taste it. It's gross, but the more you drink of it, you will just get used to it. I hope you learned something from me, that you don't need to take medicine for if you got a cold. All you need to drink is this one. But take note, if you are like have a maintenance medicine, like for a blood thinner medicine, you cannot drink this. You cannot drink turmeric milk, because turmeric milk is also a blood thinner. So you cannot drink this. Unfortunately, this is not for you. Because nowadays here in Israel, the winter this year in Israel is quite cold compared to the winter in the past few years. So that's why, like this, in a month, and in January, in the month of January, I caught cough and cold twice. Like after I was already okay, I was about to vlog, and then the next day I started coughing again. So that's why, so I started drinking turmeric again. I'm drinking this for a month already. And also, what else I want to share with you? What can I say about this? This is really great, and it won't cost. It's also doesn't cost so much. Just it's the ingredients of this are very minimal, so you won't spend a lot of money compared to buying medicine that will just affect your kidney. Just drink this and try it, and you will love it for sure. So I guess that's all for today, and I will see you again on my next video. Thank you so much everyone, and I hope to see you again. I love you all, and kisses.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be